Welcome back to my channel, and today video I'm trying to do a comparison between the internal microphone from the Xperia 1 Mark IV versus with one of the external shotgun microphone coming from the Boya BY-MM1, and we would like to see how much the difference between the audio quality between these internal microphone versus with the one of the external microphone. So let's get started. So let me explain once a while. So in Xperia 1 Mark IV, we could connect with the external microphone through the headphone 3.5mm headphone jack on the top. So what you need over here is one of the TTRS headphone jack, which you should have the 3 line over here. So you should have 4 different TRS, and the TRS standard standard audio cable is 3RS, but for the smartphone itself we need the 3 TRS, which you should have 4 layer over here, right? So one of the connection with the TRS, you should connect to the microphone, and for the TRS you should connect to your smartphone, like this, right? So in Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, we do have 3 different apps. One is a Photo Pro app, second is a Video Pro, as you can see over here. If Photo Pro apps at the right bottom, Video Pro, and one more is a Cinema Pro. For Photo Pro apps, you couldn't use the external microphone. I'm not sure why, but the good thing is you can use the Video Pro apps. Whenever you connect with one of the external microphone, you could see one of the indicator on the bottom right here, which showing an external, right? But in case if I unplug this, the indicator of external is missing, right? So once you connected to the external microphone, and it should works, and you can get this microphone facing to yourself and do whatever the recording that you need, right? So right here we will take Xperia 1 Mark IV as one of the sample. We will try to record the video with the front facing camera, and all the input volume we will max it out so we can see how much is the difference between the both microphone, right? So let's get started. There are a lot of choices in terms of the audio quality. For the shotgun audio microphone, you could able to get your voice direct from one single source, which is good when you're trying to stay still, or else you should get the wireless audio microphone. So the good thing about this Boya BY-MM1 microphone is really affordable. In my case, I just purchased it about $15 or less than $15 if you do have some discount code, and it do have one of the Kosu this one that you can put on the smartphone clip that I have over here. Then you can slow it down, or probably you can use it in for your camera as well, right? But in this case we are trying to use it for in the Xperia 1 Mark IV with the Video Pro apps. Okay, right here we trying to connect, and let's see the with the front facing camera, and we will try to record the 2 different video clips so that we can see how it looks like in terms of the audio quality from the internal microphone and external microphone. Mic check, and this is audio source coming from the Xperia 1 Mark IV internal microphone itself. So you can try to listen and compare with the Boya BY-MM1 shotgun microphone later on, And this video I recorded with the 1 arm length distance, so that you could have a better idea how it's recorded, and all the input volume that are recorded with this both video clip later on will be same, with the input volume 10 and output volume up to 30, right? So right now we go to the another video, which is the BY Boya MM1. Mic check, and this is the audio source coming from the Boya BY-MM1 microphone, and so that you have a better idea with the same kind of situation, 1 arm length of the distance recorded, and later on you could compare with the earlier video, which is coming from the internal microphone, and how you feel, how much the difference between these two microphones. So I'm pretty sure right now you should have a better idea how it's performed in terms of the internal microphone versus the Boya BY-MM1 microphone, which you can see on the screen right here. This is the box from the Boya. Inside is do have come with one of the microphone itself, like just like the picture, and also come with the windshield, as well as the two cable, which is I mentioned just now, TRS to TRS, and another one is TRS to TRS. So how it looks like in terms of the setup for entire setup for the my Xperia 1 Mark 4 versus with together with the Sony clip as well as the microphone, and this is a sample look of the entire setup. Let me try to put it further away. Right, so in case you are trying to do a vlog, probably you can set your microphone that facing toward you, because this is the nature of the shotgun microphone. But in case you are trying to record somebody else, so you can put it facing the forward, right? So I hope you can have a better idea in terms of the external microphone versus the internal microphone. But in case you do have some needs, you can get some of the external audio microphone. Not necessarily have to go with the Boya BY-MM1, but there are a lot of the better option out there as well. But if you trying to have the low budget of the external microphone, you could use this, or probably you can use a 3.5 wire microphone itself, so you also can have better idea instead of using the internal microphone, because the internal microphone you do have the omnidirectional sound receiving, so you can hear a lot of the noise coming from surrounding. But in case you are trying to have a better audio quality, external microphone is always one of the better option. We can utilize a 3.5mm headphone jack in the Xperia 1 Mark 4. So yep, so this is purpose of the video today, and hopefully you can enjoy and benefit from the tips that I'm trying today. And in case you do have any question, please drop your question in the comment section below, or if you do have any kind of the topic that you are interested to know about the Xperia 1 Mark 4 further, please also let me know, and I will try to resolve your question. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you, bye.